Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to add a control panel shortcut to the right-click menu in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click, run as administrator. Click HKey classes root. Find directory. Click directory. Click background. Click shell. Right-click shell, click new key. Type control panel. Right-click control panel, new key. Type command. Modify the default. Copy the value from the description and paste it. Close registry. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.